of Kano State, Caleb Mutfwang of Plateau State as well. You know, the Apex Court reversed the decisions of the Court of Appeal, as well as the Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal, which had sacked them. And other governors who also got the nod of the Supreme Court are governors of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Bauchi State, Bala Mohammed, as well as Francis Nwufuru of Ebonyi State. Other governors who are jubilating at the moment include the governors of Zamfara State, Dauda Lawal, Alex Oti of Abia State, and Basi Otu of Cross River State. We have details in this report.
This was the situation on the street of Kano immediately after the Supreme Court judgment in Abuja. Earlier, Justice John Okoro, who read the lead judgment, said the Court of Appeal was wrong in affirming the decision of the tribunal, which held that Mr. Yusuf did not win the majority of the lawful votes cast in the governorship election on the 18th of March 2023. In the judgment, Justice Okoro held that the tribunal was wrong in deducting 165,616 votes accrued to Mr. Yusuf in the election on the grounds that the ballot papers were not signed and stamped by officials of INEC. Also, the Supreme Court affirmed Babajide Sanwo-Olu's election as governor of Lagos State. The court dismissed the appeal of Gbadebo Road Vival of the Labour Party against the election of Governor Sanwo-Olu. The Apex Court also affirmed the judgment of the Court of Appeal Lagos, dismissing the appeal for lacking in merit. Shortly after the judgment, this is what the former governor of Lagos State had to say.
When you have concurrent findings at the trial and appellate court, it's a rarity for the Supreme Court to depart from those conclusions. So, congratulations to our governor, congratulations to our party and to our government. And so there will be no more distractions to governance now running at full pace.
Bala Mohammed of the People's Democratic Party has been affirmed as the governor of Bauchi State. The Apex Court affirmed the decision of the Court of Appeal and dismissed the appeal by Sadiq Abubakar of the All Progressives Congress for lacking in merit. The election of Francis Nwufuru of the All Progressives Congress as governor of Ebonyi State has been affirmed by the Supreme Court. The Apex Court affirmed the decision of the Court of Appeal Lagos, dismissing the appeal of Chukwuba Odi of the People's Democratic Party for lacking in merit.
And thank my legal team and the All Progressive Congress and the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Especially, let me thank the courts.
On the appeal by the governor of Plateau State, the Supreme Court reversed the sack of Caleb Mutfwang, affirming him as governor. Just few minutes after the judgment, the street of Jos became lively again as residents jubilated freely, awaiting the return of the governor from Abuja. But this is what the governor said shortly after the judgment.
I want to thank their lordships who have today restored confidence in the judiciary. Their lordships have demonstrated courage and they have raised the hope of the ordinary man in Nigeria that justice is still available in Nigeria.
The Supreme Court also affirmed the election of Dauda Lawal of the People's Democratic Party as Zamfara governor. The Apex Court set aside the decision of the Court of Appeal Abuja, which declared the governorship election in Zamfara State as inconclusive and ordered a rerun in 3 local government areas of the state.
Zamfara people are happy and we're grateful. We will now go back, settle down and do the needful in terms of governance.
With the judgments delivered today, it is believed that the governors will now focus on development and delivering good leadership in their respective states.